Hello, we're asking colleagues to update their personal records and success factors to help us better understand our community. The more we understand about our people, the more proactive we can be when it comes to inclusion. We can also see if we're achieving our goals. Updating your records is quick and easy to do, and I'll take you through it step by step. First, log into Success Factors. On the front page, click My Profile under Quick Actions. This will take you through to your employee profile, which has a dedicated area for your personal information. If you need more information before making your updates, you can click on the question mark icon to find detailed guidance on how to enter the questions. You will now need to click on the pencil icon to begin editing these fields. You can decide where you'd like these changes to take effect from, such as today's date. As you scroll down under Equal Opportunities, you will need to click Show 6 more fields to see and complete all the information. There may be some new fields here which you haven't had a chance to edit before. There may also be some fields that are out of date and require you to amend them. Please read through each field carefully and make any necessary changes. Please do contribute to as many fields as you can. This helps the university to be proactive when it comes to inclusion and see if we are achieving our goals. You may notice some changes in the diversity monitoring questions. If you find that some of the fields in your record show option no longer available, please select an alternative. Don't worry. There are some instances in which a previous response option no longer exists. For example, instead of selecting 2 or more disabilities and not being able to specify what those are, you can now pick more than one response option. When you're done, please click Save. In most cases, you then need to click Proceed. If you've changed your given name, middle name or family name, you will need to upload evidence of the change. In that case, please click Correct to add an attachment. Please also take a moment to check and update your emergency contact information, which is available if you scroll further down the page. And that's it! For more information about why we ask diversity monitoring questions, or if you have any problems, you can contact your HR business partner or raise an Ask HR ticket. Thank you.